problem? I'm asking you. Answer me this, I'll slap you. What is your problem? You are not a wanted. Next, I'll say you're scared of what Daniel might do to you in the future. Mother, now that you put it that way, yes, I am scared. I am very scared of what will happen to you. What is it, sir? Why is none of you people are listening to me? Everyone is just helping to blaming me.
My child, please sit. Sit. My child, please can you share with me that thing you are seeing that is scaring you that no one else is seeing in this house?
Mother, I've seen it. Daniel will make my life miserable. He will kill me and take over everything.
And who told you this?
A seer, Mother.
A seer? How did you get to know him?
Mother, I do not know any seer. Jessica took me there.
Don't you know your brain can be manipulated? For any seer to see that which they want to see in you, if your spirit is weak.
Mother, how naive do you think I am? Am I a child? Is that why you would slap me? Do I look stupid to you? Nothing was done behind me. I saw it all. I went there myself. I dipped my finger into the water that was placed right before me. It wasn't done behind me. Everything unfolded.
Let's put it this way. What if your friend Jessica is jealous of you?
Jealous? There you go again. Always being the typical African mother. Nobody is jealous of me. What do I have, gold or silver? Tell me, do I have 10 heads? Why would she be jealous of me, Mother? She's living fine, she's alive, she's breathing fine, she's not sick. Mother, she has nothing to be jealous of. Do you understand me? Jessica is not that person. Agreed. You used to know Jessica, but right now, you know nothing about her. So please, stop it! Jessica is not your problem. Let's deal with the situation at hand. The situation, I have seen my future, Mother. My future that was filled with pain and with sorrow. Let's talk about that, not about Jessica. Leave her out of it.
Vera, you're no longer the child I give birth to. You're no longer this child that I carried in my womb. You are no longer that child, Vera. You said Jessica has no reason to be jealous of you. Have you forgotten Jessica was there from the beginning? From the days of your school days. She was there. She was there when you got married. And not just getting married. You got married to a wonderful husband. And you tell me she has no reason to be jealous of you. She is not even fortunate to have a man at least 1 year in her life, not to take off getting married. And you tell me she has no reason to be jealous of you. You tell her practically everything that happens in your family. You tell her how nice, how sweet, how caring your husband is to you. And you tell me she will not be jealous of you. Who does that? And not just getting married in her presence. You got married and God blessed you with the fruits of the womb. He gave you children, not just anyhow children. Maybe the ones with crippled leg, blind eyes, or perhaps imbeciles. But he gave you healthy, bouncing children. And you tell me she will not be jealous of you. Does she have a golden heart? I say, who does that? Does she have a golden heart?
Mother, you asked me and I'm telling you what is wrong with me. It boils down to this all the time, and that is why I do not talk to you.
Because you blame me for everything. You blame me for everything. This is not the daughter I gave birth to.
Life flies past, it's Vera. Somebody sneezes, it's Vera. Somebody is sick, it's Vera. Perhaps when your husband even greets you in the morning, it is Vera. Now what else will Vera do? Mother, I am tired. I am going mad. Please leave me alone. Allow me live in my husband's house in peace. I am done. Please.
Oh. Ndo. Hi. What wrong have I committed? What is my child turning into? This whole thing is getting out of hand, I have called your father. I've called him and I believe he will soon be here because he's so disappointed in you, Vera. He's disappointed in you.
I swear, Jessie, I have not come up with anything. My head is filled up. Don't know what to say after all I saw. Please, Jessie, can you help me with anything?
Me? Help you? Please, I don't have that kind of time. I can't.
What do you mean you can't?
See, until you decide to do the right thing, you take the bull by the hand. I am not available.
I don't understand.
You can't understand now. How can you understand when you don't want to stay in your hands?
Stay in my hands? How? And with what?
Now, Vera, let me ask you a very sincere question. How do you plan, or how do you want to take away Daniel so that your son can become the head? How?
What will make Jessica think this way? What's happening? And what does she mean? Was this what the seer told her? No, that's not possible. I don't think so. The seer never discussed such. She told me to go home and think about what I want. Well, let me think of it first.
Vera. 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 Vera.
No, I can't do it.
What can't you do, my child? And then?
Nothing, Mother.
You can't tell me nothing. My child, Nayan, the replica of her father's mother. Talk to your mother. What is the issue?
Mom, I've told you there is nothing. There's nothing. I'm serious.
It's written all over you. You are even looking unkept. You feel like not sharing it. No problem. But remember, they say a problem shared is half solved. So do you think you can tell me?
Nice try, Mother. But I told you there was nothing. And that still stands. Thanks for caring about me, though.
My child, I know it must be because of the conflict of the other day, but I thought to have already come off over that. Mama, please share with your mother what the issue is. Anyway, if you feel like not sharing now, please can you come and help me in the kitchen?
That's fine, I'll be there.
I'm afraid of the future, I'm afraid. I'm afraid of the future, I'm afraid, oh. Every day wake up with fear.
So today is your turn to peel the onion. Have it. Let's learn how to peel it. You want to enjoy yourself?
Mommy. Daniel.
No thanks.
Come on, go and hug your mother.
This feels so good.
Go and hug your mother. Now come back. Come back. You don't hold your knife this way.
Okay.
You're not trying to slice a tuber of yam. It's onion you want to cut. So you hold it like this. I know you can do it, so
Yes,
teach you.
okay. Okay.
Now give him this part to do.
Okay. Okay.
This.
Do the same thing.
Okay. You're still holding it wrongly, my son. Good, that way.
Okay.
Then try to press it, not too hard. You're trying. You soon get to know it. It's a gradual thing, right? Okay, you can now go to the children's room while I complete the cooking with your mother.
Okay, Grandma.
Go. My child, have you seen how happy it feels when the family is united? Are you seeing it? When everybody is on deck doing one or two, training everyone equally and not segregating, leaving duty for one and leaving rest for the others. You have to try everything possible best to make Daniel get closer to you. Now that he's beginning to feel a little bit free with you. Do I make myself clear? My child, do I make myself clear? I know it feels hard to do, but it is a thing that is important. Udo kachasimma. Udo kachasimma. It gives joy when everyone is in unity.
Son, how are you doing?
I'm good, Mommy. Grandma has settled things.
Really? So how is your stepmother?
Well, she's becoming good these days. Don't know what Grandma told her that's changing her. she don't suffer me with the hard choice anymore when her children are playing or watching cartoon. We all work together.
This is strange. She better change for good though. It's for her own good. If she like, if she doesn't, it's left for her. But you have to be careful. I hope this is not her means of luring you into her evil days. Because I don't trust that woman a bit. You have to be very careful. And trust me, any silly behavior from her again, I will change it for her. Not even for good, for bad. And none of them will ever set their eyes on you anymore. It's a promise.
Mom, she has changed.
I don't trust her. What if she's pretending?
Mom, can I keep some of my siblings?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay.
I'm happy you're good now. But be careful. Don't trust anyone. Okay? Come on, drink up.
Mother, I'd like to discuss something with you.
Okay. I'm all ears.
It's more like a question. Say, for instance, let's just say something happens to Daniel right now. What would be the situation?
First of all, you will be held responsible. And I don't see you coming out alive. Because Alex, your husband, loves Daniel so much because of the circumstances that is surrounding his birth. But what made you think in this direction? Have you been seeing Jessica lately? What did she tell you? See, whatever she told you, they are all lies, so.
Mother, bring your voice down.
They are all lies, so. The other day I was with your husband, and I was opportuned to see his documents, his property documents. And out of them, I saw the one he opened the account with 10 million naira for each of his child.
What? You're pulling my legs, Mother. I mean, my husband has never shown me any of such documents. How convenient that he shows it to you. How is that even possible?
Because you were not interested to ask or inquire of such. You were busy listening to the advice of the one who paints white, black. And I know it's none other than that your overgrown to be handled friend of yours, Jessica.
Mother, bring your voice down.
If I may ask you, what did she tell you this time around? I'm asking you, Vera.
Mother, you're still shouting. She didn't tell me anything. She only took me to a seer who showed me my future. He showed me how bad my future looked. Mother, my future was really bad. It was bleak, it was black, everything was... Mother, I was destitute. The only thing that can make my future better is if Daniel is out of it.
I see you sick, my child. Very sick.
Your future is black, your future is dirty, your future is... In fact, you saw yourself being destitute.
And you got married to the richest man in town, one of the richest men in town. And your future is black, dirty, whatever you call it. My child, instead of listening to your mother, you are busy taking the advice of the one who paints white black. She's asking you to take someone's life, to stain your hands with blood, and not just anyone's blood, but the blood of your son.
Mother,
yes, I say shut up. The blood of your son. Yes, I call him your son because your husband's son is equally your son. If I may ask you, perhaps you succeed and the family of your husband finds out. What do you think will be your portion? Vera!
Mother,
what do you think will be your lot?
You're shouting.
Do you think evil... Shut up. I said shut up. Do you think evil lasts for long? No. Evil doesn't last. Highest it will stay a decade. Or perhaps 2 decades. And it will spill. And by then, your husband's people will deal with you. Because I know if care is not taken, even that your so-called friend, Jessica, will be the one that will betray you and blackmail you.
Mother, what would you have me do?
So how did you go? Well, it went well. My son Daniel said his grandmother has settled everything. His stepmom is not loving him.
You see? And you're here worrying your life out. Eh?
And to forget that, I don't trust that woman. I'm pretty sure that this thing she is doing, she just wants to get my son closer to her so that she can accomplish her evil plans towards him. But it will not work. Because me, I will not give her any chances.
Ben, did you hear yourself?
I heard myself.
No, you don't. Because if you do, you will know that Daniel is Alice's son and not Francis' son. You should know that.
Auntie, can you just... Why do you always say this? All the time, Alice's son, Alice. Have you forgotten he's also equally my son? He's also my son. So I will do everything to protect him. And no one is stopping me from doing that.
Okay, fine. Have you told Alice about it?
Not yet.
And you think you can do that at his back? What if he finds out? How is he going to react?
How is he going to find out? Auntie, that's why I'm here. I came to see you so that you can give me some advice on what to do.
You came here to seek for advice, right? Now, I am officially telling you not to try such. Anyway, yes, if you want to try it, count me out.
Auntie, it's not going to be possible. Yeah? Nobody is stopping me from doing it. Hey. I want to protect my son. And you cannot stop me. This is not the advice I want you to give to me. I'm not buying it.
The nightmare is hearing and real. I got to labor in this marriage in vain. I must do anything to secure my children's future in this life. My heart is not...
I can hear you now.
We came to know about my daughter's friend, the one that brought her here the first time.
Your friend? How can you call her your friend?
Huh?
I came here with her the other time to seek solution for my future.
That's what you think. She thinks otherwise.
I don't understand what you're saying, Sia.
Dip your finger into the water. Let's see.
No, I won't do it. That was what I did the last time, and I got confused. Now you're telling me stuff about my friend, and you're asking me to dip my finger once again. Who knows what you'll tell me next? Maybe you'll tell me some bad things about my mother.
Not possible. I'm only a seer and nothing more. I don't shed blood. Just dip your finger into the water and see things for yourself.
Sorry, I mean, I didn't know that you would. I'm sorry, I'll just be outside.
Why is she acting like this? I didn't see. My friend. Vera! Oh my goodness! Vera! 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 Vera, now, what is wrong with you?
What do you mean, what is wrong with me? No, what do you mean? First off, you never told me you were expecting any visitor, let alone you all over him and almost making out together on the couch.
He is not my visitor. He is my new boyfriend.
What? Your boy what?
My boyfriend.
Jessica.
What?
Is this how you plan on living your life?
Yes, please. I cannot be like you. Yes. You just stay one place and I'm waiting for somebody that is in another person's country, sleeping with all the women, probably to get green card or something. I cannot be like you. Wait, hold up now. Sorry now, babe. Come. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Jessica, it's not about saying sorry.
You're always angry. What is that?
I am not angry. The point is you cannot keep saying these bad things about Alex. Do you live with him abroad to know if he's with one white woman or another white woman? What's all this, Jessica? Any little thing, you just push it there. You know what? I am tired of all of this. His parents who wanted me to wait for him are the fools.
I did not say that.
Then fine.
I'm sorry now. Come on. You're always hyperactive. Calm down. I'm sorry. Okay, fine. I won't talk about Alex anymore. My mouth shut up and zip up. I won't talk about him. I'm sorry.
Better.
Okay, now can we go and see my new boyfriend?
No. I'm not going in there.
You will.
No,
Why won't you?
No.
You have to. I just told you I am sorry. I apologize to you. If you do not go now, he will think that maybe there's a problem somewhere. And there's no problems, right? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Fine. I'll go, but I won't spend a minute there.
Sorry!
I'm saying this. I know. I am so sorry. It's my fault. I should have knocked before barging in on you guys. But in my defense, JC never told me she had a visitor. I'm sorry.
Vera, stop. Like I told you outside, it's not my visitor. It's my boyfriend.
Oh, yeah.
Never mind, I understand, okay? Yeah. You're so beautiful, as JC always said. She has really told me a lot about you. Jessica, serve her a drink. Enjoy your drink. Serve her something.
JC, what happened to Collins?
Who is Collins?
Your boyfriend.
Please, excuse you me. That's my ex. Like in the ex, the past life. This is the future. Move on, darling. Take a walk. Be here. What's in the past? What do you mean? What? Sit on you now. I not seen him, man. Look at him, man. The guy paid 2 years rent for me. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that wonderful? Such a sweet news, my darling.
Jessica, is this what you now live for?
Hey, Vera, what should I live for? I should live like you? Come on, you're a slave, my love. What do you mean? What should I live for? I should live for you, for your thing, that you go to Alex Mana's house, you sweep everywhere, carry cobwebs, packets, wash clothes, wash plates, wash pots, scrub everywhere, even cook. Well done. I'm not a slave, my darling. You are a slave, I'm not. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at this baby now. This is my body, everything. I'm going to get what I want from men. You don't know me. I can't be like you. You are so boring. I can't be like you. I can never be like you. You're so boring. See your beauty, your waist and everything. Don't worry. Sit down, Christian mother. You are good. Leave it where I am. I love my life. Okay? Face yours.
Well, I can't live like you.
Of course, my darling. You cannot be like me. I know. So keep wallowing in stupidity and be a slave forever. I can be you. You cannot be me. Can you imagine? Look at him, you know. See, man. That's my boyfriend. The guy's rich. He's big. He smells good. Oh my goodness. Oh my God.
Hi.
How are you doing today? Good day.
I'm fine, thank you. How is Jessica? Where is she?
Oh, Jessica. She went out to get something for me. I don't even know what is keeping her. She's taking too long.
In that case, I'll leave and come back later.
No, Vera, you don't need to leave. Come on. I was even about going out to go and see my friend. You can relax and wait for her. Let me go outside and come back.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Just wait for her. Make yourself comfortable, eh?
Sure. Thank you.
Alright.
Always remember that's the future comes one at a time. Don't destroy yourself, trusting an enemy. 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 Don't destroy yourself, trusting an enemy.
What do you think you're doing? Are you mad and stupid at the same time? What is wrong with you?
Let's enjoy this.
Enjoy what? You're insane. What's this? Is this who you are?
Must you shout?
Why would I shout? What kind of a man are you? What is wrong with you? I wonder what Jesse sees in a disgusting idiot like you. Don't tell me to calm down.
Let's enjoy this. Must you shout?
You're insane. You're sick in the head. You need a doctor. Animal.
Babe, can you see your friend Vera? I don't see any reason why Vera should be asking me out in your own house.
What?
Yes.
That's a big lie. A big fat lie.
My friend, will you shut up?
Will you shut the hell up? Can you imagine this disgusting animal? I was right here sleeping and waiting for you. Next thing, I felt a hand touching me. Only for me to open my eyes and I saw this nincompoop touching me.
Baby, don't believe
Now
her.
he's turning around to turn the whole story.
She's a bloody liar.
Jesse!
Please.
Oh my God.
Hold up. Please, just shut it down. What in God's name is happening in my house? Really? I just left here for like 4 hours and then this is happening? Bum! Really?
Don't mind her, okay?
Okay, fine. I did not hear anything. Please just leave my house. Get out.
You heard
What?
her loud and clear. Leave.
Jesse, are you...
I do not want to hear a thing.
Leave now.
Hey, hold on. She goes nowhere. I wasn't talking to her. I'm talking to you. You are a dog from pit of hell. You are from the zoo. You ooze of stupidity. You are a fool. Oh, you came to rape my friend. That's my sister. You want to rape her in my house?
Babe,
really?
Are you talking to me too?
I am talking to you, Tony.
Babe, after everything I've done for
What
you...
the fuck have you done for me?
Baby, so you believe her? Baby, come on.
If you touch me, do not even try. Listen, I do not push you.
Are you being
Get-
serious right now?
Leave my house.
Jesse, I think you can sort this out. and-
Vera, stay out of this. Just sit down. It's not your business. Do you know this girl would have just raped you? Then what would I hear? What would they say?
I woke up in time and I stopped him. So
It's fine. Just sit down. Leave my house. Leave my house! Get out! Get out!
Jesse.
And lock my door. Get out of my house! Get out! Babe, please, I'm sorry. That idiot has the guts to touch your skin. Look at you. Aso Dogo. Asa Alex na bro. Omoma. He's a fool. I'm so sorry. Please forgive him. Okay? Please.
Just the other day, you were all lovey-dovey with Tony. And today, you just trim out like garbage.
Yes. My love, that's what men are. Garbage in, garbage out. Yes. They don't deserve my gracious body. They don't deserve it. Yeah.
What really went wrong? Because from what I see, you didn't just throw him out because of what had just transpired right here.
My girl. My babe, you are so smart. You know, that's why I love you. And I keep saying, make money with all these things. Make money, make
JC,
money.
stop!
Everywhere.
Come on, stop!
It's purchase.
Stop!
It's they. Make money, you say, mba. What is this? Make money, you say no. You're so smart.
But you know, it's not fair, right? I mean, it's not nice.
Okay, fine. Tony is a fool. It's a very wild fool from the zoo. Yes, guy. He's so arrogant. I don't like him. Every time we say I have money, there's no money. Everything is just empty. He's always making out. I don't like that guy. I was waiting for just one thing, you know, to just throw him away. Boom! And this one happened. I just seized it. I seized the opportunity. And then I threw him back to the dustbin where it belongs to.
That's not the right way to go about it. I don't think this is fair.
Oh, my love. If you want to do things that are fair with men, you'll be so doomed, my darling. They will doom you. Men, come on, those people, they are nothing to write about. They disgust me. Yes, my love. So, like I was saying, I'm sorry. Babe, nothing. I just want to say sorry for that idiot that malhandled you. That's touched you. Eh? Who you are so dongo. Asaton in abroad. You know? The guy doesn't know you. He's a stupid person. Sorry. I beg, I'm so sorry. Please forgive him on my behalf. Yes, that is what he is, a garbage and more. He belongs to the dustbin where flies, crocodiles, everything is there. That's where he belongs. I told him there. Yes, now I don't have that kind of time. That day is supposed to be, you know. This gay. Sometimes you used to think well, sometimes, so it's not like you have sense, but you have small sense now. Okay, well, you know, and I'll say, okay, fine, I think I owe you one big champagne, the Prion or my, which one do you want? Make a choice. I say to you, use your body and make money. Or those your breasts and your bum, those waists, make money, you say no. Anyways, Tony's a fool. That guy is a garbage. In fact, he's an uncultured, uncensored fool. Yes. Me, I didn't really like him. It's not like I like the guy, you know, but just that he had money or he had money. I was just flirting around him for the money. Because I'm after the money. The sound of money makes me honey. Yes, for the money. And the guy, he smells, his mouth. If you want to kiss him, just like this. The guy has mouth odor. He oozes of stupidity and depression. I was just managing him, and then I was not looking for a small chance to push him out into the gutters. And then he happened, and I said, "Film, I better get away and let me be. Look at me now. Check, baby girl. Check me everywhere. It's padded. Everything is full. I'm for the president, the governors, the senators, not for one riff-raff, stupid, uncensored, arrogant fool. You understand? Yes, my darling. So that's it. You know? Pastor Mrs., please don't even start. Don't start. Life is not fair. There's nothing that is fair in this life. Yes. Even being with a man is not fair. Men will just make you a fool. You will be doomed. So doomed. I'm telling you. Life is unfair.
Hi, Vera. Please, sorry for what happened the other day. It wasn't intentional, please.
What do you mean it wasn't intentional?
I don't really know how to say this, but I must tell you that I truly like you. For real, yes. But it was your friend Jessica. She knew you were coming that day, so she collected 250,000 naira from me.
I don't get you. What's that?
I mean your friend Jessica said if I want to touch you that day, I should give her the sum of 250,000 naira, which I did just because I like you. I'm just trying to let you know that she's aware of everything that happened.
No, stop it. That's a really big accusation right there. How dare you tell such a lie simply because you want to cover up your sin? Are you insane?
Vera, there's no way I can be lying against Jessica. No. You can go and ask her. She can't even deny this. She can't. Just ask her about the money I sent to her the other day, 250,000 naira. 250K.
Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy. Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy. Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy. Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy.
Jesse, how could you be this cruel and mean? How?
Okay, can you just calm down? Take a deep breath and talk to me.
Do not tell me to calm down. Jesse, you that I call my own sister could have the nerve to sell me for a measly 250,000 naira. How could you even do that?
Hold up, that's enough. Excuse me, where did you get that from? Huh? Like, what do you mean?
What do you mean, what do I mean? The deal you had with Tony to have me for 250,000 naira?
My goodness, come on, surprise me. Really? Now I see that men can use you like a bicycle and then drop you once you go bad. I don't get it. Oh, you believe that's dog over me? Really? That dog? And you think I would do that to you? Is that it?
JC, I will ask you this question one time.
Okay.
And I need you to look me straight in the eye and give me an answer. The 250,000 naira Tony gave to you, what was it for?
Now, if you must know, they are for my cosmetics and my shoes.
Oh, JC. But you told me he gave you that before now.
Come on, you expect me to use that money for months? I'm a woman, I've got needs, I have wants, I have family to take care of, to cater for. That money is too small for months now. And these are lies you just tell a man to get money from him. Come on, brace up, my darling. What is this? I don't get it. Or you think I'm you that has Alex and his rich family to get money from? I have to hustle for myself, please.
Really?
God, yes, really. Come on now.
You know what? Now, what don't talk?
Trust in an enemy. Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy. Don't destroy.
What happened? Afana, I thought you said Alex will come back to the sister. What happened?
No, he said July or August.
You never see something. Your eye go see something. Your eye will clear.
Jessica, why are you talking like that?
Nothing, no. You know, me, I just don't like all this abroad people. They can lie. They can procrastinate. Hey, baby, I will come back in August. The East, I'm here. December, I'm coming. New Year, I'm here. I will celebrate. Fallacy. They are born liars. My sister. See, my cousin sister, Ogechi. That's how one guy said he lives in Spain. That he's coming back to marry her. He was sending money, sending gifts, everything. 4 years. My cousin was here. She now turned Lord of the Rings. We did not see anybody. 2 years ago, she got married. See you now. You've not seen the man. Hey, I'm just saying. You know?
Jessica, what are you insinuating?
Nothing, no. Before you know, Jessica said this. Jessica said that. I did not say anything, no. But at least you have brain, Abby. Use it. down. What's this excitement about?
Alex is finally coming back tomorrow.
Oh. Congratulations there.
Thank you, I know.
Congrats. Oh my goodness.
JC.
Yeah.
Aren't you happy that my man is finally coming back?
Who says? I'm happy. Congrats. You know I'm tired. I just got back. I'm so tired. I need to rest, okay?
It's okay.
Congrats.
Thank you. Finally.
Okay, let me get to my room and then take a cold shower. I'll see you in a jiffy.
It's
All
okay.
right. My girl. So, how is Alex?
It's okay. JC, he's super cute. I mean, he's so handsome. Than his pictures, I did not want to believe. Like I touched myself several. I'm like, and guess what? He's so loving, caring. He's just everything in a man.
Well, anyways, until I see for myself.
Oh, what is that supposed to mean?
Seeing is believing, yes. So when are you bringing him to my house? Let me see him, because me, I show you my friends too, so you must show me your own. It's one.
Definitely, but you should understand that he just got back. Besides, his parents are not just anyhow people that he could just leave. They plan things, you know.
Okay, they play.
JC, you're too pessimistic.
I will show you my friends. You tell me you have to plan. He said, Governor, please, I beg, let me hear. First time. Plan what?
Wait until you see him.
Wow. My girl. God is sharp, man. He's so cute. And, you know, he's worth all the waiting. You're welcome once more.
Thank you.
Oh, my goodness.
JC, can you at least offer him something to drink?
I'm sorry. I was carried away. Forgive my manners. I mean, who won't? He's such a... Okay,
Jessica.
1 second. You're welcome again. Oh my goodness.
She's so put together at times. She's just like that. She's fun to be my best friend.
We shouldn't have told her about the drinks. We have to go. We're running late.
That's true. I'll just tell her when she comes.
Alright, come.
I have to poison this drink. Yes, I will drug them so that I can enjoy that handsome boy. Hey! That guy is fine. The guy is fresh. Vera! Before you go enjoy, I go enjoy that guy first. Yes. I go enjoy the guy first. Very cute guy. Jeez, Alex. My guy, you fine. You are handsome. Hey! You fresh. You pockish. Yes. Father, 1 second though. I'm coming. Okay. Sorry that I kept you waiting.
So sorry, Jessica. The thing is, we
have to go.
Yes.
Go. Why?
We have an appointment. We need to see a friend of mine.
Yes, his friend Mark.
No, come on. I just brought drinks. You guys just came here.
The thing is, Mark is already waiting. Besides, we'll drink there, so there's no need starting early.
Some other time.
Yes.
Okay, just take a sip then, please. Just a sip.
Hey, don't worry. I'll bring him. Don't worry. I promise.
Trust in that enemy, don't destroy yourself. Trust in that enemy, don't destroy yourself.
Jesse, my problem now is Alex is not giving me the time and attention I need from him. Man, even his parents, they do not seem to know what's wrong with him. I'm just so confused and tired.
Eh? You were not informed? Oh, you didn't know? Your time has expired.
Can you just
Yes, he has moved on to the next girl to have fun.
Stop saying all these things.
What's the truth now? It's the truth. See, if you even ask me, I believe that he has gone back to his girlfriend, that queen, to have fun with her.
No. No. Stop.
What stop? You know, if they touch you, you give way. They don't touch another person. It's one man. See, that's why I dump them. I dump men. Men don't dump me.
No.
I do the dumping, yes. Yes. My love, dump Alex now while you can. Yes. At least you've made money. You made money off him, from his parents and everything. You can even set your future. Like right now,
Jesse, why are you so negative? You're too pessimistic. Stop.
I'm being me. I'm telling you the truth. The truth they say is bitter. Dump him now and stop all this nonsense, feeble, sadness, and then timid kind of look, and move on with your life. He doesn't deserve your tears or your worry. He does not deserve them. What is this? Alex this, Alex that. Come on, can I hear something new? Please.
Jessica! Jessica, you were right. You were right, Jesse. Jesse, you were right all along. You were right.
Right about what?
Alex. I saw Alex driving in his car with another girl. I made my findings. And I found out that he has gone back to Queen.
Hey! Call me the seer. Call me the prophetess. You see? You don't respect your pastor because you know me. I foresaw it now. I gave you prophecy. You say no, you don't want to hear it. Didn't I warn you? Didn't I warn you? I told you that your time has expired. Move, you say no. You're not under inside. Now you're crying. Hey! So after all the cleaning, packing of poopy, washing toilets, clearing cobwebs, you climb ladder and go up to the roof and start clean everywhere. It's a come hold up, wash plates, scrape pots, clean house. They still dumped you. Hey! I told you now. I want you to hear. Hey! Boss. Oh, just laughing. Your face is in tears. You're laughing. Stop laughing. I cannot help this because I want you. Did I want you? I want you. Hey. You know when God gives you a full package, like a package in a package in a package in a package. If you see that, my man, a man that has class, that smells class, the aura is class, that knows what it is and what to give his woman, even without asking for my perfumes, to my jewelries, to my clothes, to my panties, to everything that I wear and everything that oh my goodness, if you see this man, he bought me designers. Fendi, Gucci, Christian Dior, everything beautiful. Oh my goodness! That man is a man. My man! Oh my God, I love him. Okay, Bobo. May God bless you. More money. Okay, Nkemu. Okay, hey! Ogenede. If you see my man, my darling, he's a man and more. Woke kuru. He stand bang bang bang. Hey! My goodness.
Well,
hey,
Jesse, I am so happy for you.
Of course, my darling, you don't have a choice. You have to be happy for me, you know. Okay, Nwa. Okay, Bobo. Okay, Bobo. My goodness.
Destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy. Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy. Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy. Don't destroy
Jesse. Jesse.
What is it? Why are you calling my name? What happened?
I'm finished. My parents will kill me.
Okay, now calm down. What is it so we can know how to sort it out?
I'm pregnant for Alex.
Hey!
Shouting.
You are a whore. You are a cheap whore. You are so loose. In fact, you are worse than me. Hey, Auntie. Hey. So after the things I've taught you on how to, say no, stand your ground, you still went and open your stupid and dirty like bagada, and then you got pregnant. You're telling me your parents will kill you. They should kill you and bury you. You deserve it. Eh? So you went and...
Stop it, Jesse! What is this? What is wrong with you? Am I a child? Why are you scolding me as if I'm a baby? What's the meaning of all this? And you're insulting the man that might just marry me tomorrow? What is your problem?
Oh.
You mean I cannot even tell you anything anymore?
Sorry. Matured woman. And to that idiot that got you pregnant. Matured men and matured women. Sorry.
I shouldn't have even told you in the first place. What was I even thinking?
It's better, Seth. Why did you tell me? Loosed her. If you ask me, go and abort that thing in your tummy. That's if you ask me. Abort it now that it's early. Before you face total disgrace.
You see who you call your best friend. Onifuberia, you've seen it all. From the beginning, the signs were there. But you stupidly carried her along. Dikeh was it not my breast you sucked?
What about the future I saw when I first came here?
Jessica made me do it.
You're welcome once more.
Thank you.
I invited you here because I got to understand that you're going through some financial crisis.
Yes. Oh, how do you know?
Let's say I made my own findings and I can let it go away.
Really? Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.
Please, hold up. Take a deep breath. Before you begin to thank me, there's something you have to do for me.
Okay. Which is?
I want my friend Vera out of the way.
Are you alright? Is anything wrong with you? I don't shed blood, and don't you ever repeat this again before the God I serve. Use your blood as sacrifice.
Hold up. Yo, easy. Sorry. It's fine. I will just look for a native doctor to do it for me. It's okay, but before you earn my money, you must do something for me anyways. It's not free.
Okay. I can reprogram the water to suit Vera's fears based on the story you told me. But I must not touch the water when the person in question is around. Else, my own story will be washed.
Well, that's fair enough. It would give me time. I'll buy enough time to look for a native doctor that can do what I want for me. Oh, do you know any?
The God I serve will not allow me to know such people. That was what brought the future you saw.
And the future?
You have the will to change what you saw. Do good always and leave the rest to God Almighty. Your husband loves you.
Mother. Thank you. Thank you, Mother.
shouldn't take me, my child. Your battle is my battle also. You should be happy that I'm alive to join you in the fight. Meanwhile, thank this year.
No, not me. Thank God Almighty.
Don't worry. I'll come back with a great surprise for you.
God bless you, Vera.
Thank you.
Have you seen who you call best friend? Did you see it? I wonder what you people of this generation used to qualify a best friend. I just wonder.
Mother, I thank God who has saved me from the lion's den. I'll just go home now, relax, and watch Jessica disgrace herself.
It's okay. The most important thing is that you are awake from your slumber. Thank God you're no longer in the river, drowning. You know, it's not meeting Chana Baganya. Please, let's go. Thank God you are awake.
What? You want to take Daniel off the way? Wow! That's good. Good news. Beautiful news. Wonderful news. Sumptuous news. Yes! My girl, you are doing well now. You don't mount your guard normally. You are doing well. This is it. That's your mother, uncle. Alpha. You have sent her to the village. That witch? That black witch? You see, you don't gather your things normally now. After, oh my God, your brain for your head. Yes, this is it. This is it. That's what. This is you that I know, Vera, one and only Vera. Okay. So you are home now, home alone. Only you. I'm coming, though. We need to celebrate, my darling. I'm coming. This is it. Done and dusted. Yes. Okay, I'm coming. Yes. Ha! What's so really good now? It upsets. This is a hell, Gene. Now, let me laugh in a very dramatic way. Hey, this is sweet, wonderful news. So Vera, now, this is your doom. You are in that doom now. This is it. Yes, okay. Every day, my husband this, my husband that, this, my marriage. What is it? Now only you. Are you the only one in this earth? Yes. I want to see your tears. I want to see the tears drop down your eyes. I want to see you. I want to feel you in sorrow. Let the doom start now. I want to watch you cry. Yes, it will give me very sweet feeling. I will be so fulfilled to see you cry. Yes, the hour has come. It's about to go down. Ogene, what is it? Nonsense. And I'm sure your husband, he will just send you away. Boom! That's it. I need to cheers. I need to drink up, to ginger my swagger. Get it? My girl, Jessica. Thumbs up. Well done. Do we married? I need to toast, to a mission accomplished, to a job well done. Jessica, you are the master planner. What you say? You are the master planner. You are the everything in one. Or getting there. What's every time my husband this, my husband that, my marriage this, that's what waiting. Shut up. I'm sucking your tears, bitter tears. Yeah. I want to cheers to your doom, to your failure, to me laughing at you with my full chest. Rubbish. Now to it. Now, it's bam! Such is just a very fake wine. It's so sad. Anyways, I will still drink it, yeah. Yeah. Cheers. To mission accomplished. Cheers to tears of sorrow for Vera. Oh, yes, please.
Right?
You God.
I did. You look like you've just seen a ghost. Oh, my mother?
Of course. She's surprised.
Come.
Don't worry. The witch woman is still there.
No, ma, it's not what I meant. No.
What did you mean? What did you mean? I mean, the seer explained everything to us. I mean, my mother and I. She told us how you bribed her. Yes. But you don't have to worry, JC. My husband will soon be here. He's going to bring the police. When the police comes, then you can explain to them everything you meant.
No, please, ma. Please, ma. I'm sorry.
You have to lay down. It's already a spilled milk. Spilled.
But I wanted the best for you. I'm sorry. It's not what I meant.
You wanted the best for me and you wanted me to kill my son? Really? Is that how good you love me? My best friend? I know, of course you want the best for me, right? You know what? Go get us some ice cream. It's about to be a movie. Not you. Not you. You, Danielle, my darling. Yeah. There you go. You have another task. Okay. Run outside, tell the gate man to lock the gate till your father comes. Hurry, go. Okay. Tell him to lock the gate, darling. Careful.
Call your husband.
Yes.
Vera, I'm sorry. Please. Please.
Hello, honey. Yes, she's been here. Yeah, she's been here. Are you on your way now? Okay.
Please, ma.
Don't touch me, Black Witch.
Please hurry up. She's here. Thank you. I love you too, honey.
Go get yourself your own husband, Simba. My daughter's son is the best.
I'm sorry. It's not what I meant. Please. The police, please. I don't want to go to jail.
Of course, I don't know anything. I'm naive, so you can tell the police. Then they will explain it to us explicitly. Come on, mother, relax. The gate has been locked. You don't need to stress yourself. Yeah, Tifum.
Your imagination is killing you. Cause it's preview of your life coming attraction. Always remember that's the future. Trust in an enemy. Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy.
I hope everybody is happy.
Why is it taller than me?
A loving heart is the trust wisdom. Being defeated is often temporary condition, but giving up is what that makes it permanent. Trust is the foundation of healthy relationships. of healthy relationships. But don't be carried away. Don't be carried away. There is battle in this life we live. Oh, oh, don't destroy yourself. You can destroy yourself. Don't destroy trust this enemy in this time. Don't destroy yourself. The way the lobby, trust the enemy. Don't destroy the way the lobby, trust the enemy. Don't destroy the enemy in this time. Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy. Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy.